So Mod started 15 years ago under the idea of building better. We're very focused on industrialized construction or offsite construction, but it's more about trying to focus on the lean building practices of understanding how a product comes from its raw state to a finished product and produces it at the highest quality possible. So we do a lot of net zero homes or super energy efficient homes. We're always pushing the energy level of the homes through the fact that we're indoors, we're dry, we're controlled. We've done buildings up to 72 unit apartment buildings and $6 million custom homes all the way down to emergency housing for homeless. So a couple years ago, we met Tyler down at Ferris, spent some time down there really investigating the benefits of MPP, Mass Plywood Panel. And within that, we quickly designed the unit that's sitting behind me. And what we found is that we were able to build that unit in a sixth of time that we built one of these units from a volumetric standpoint of assembling. And that was largely because we were putting together finished products that were pre-cut to within a 1/16 of an inch. They assembled quickly, they went together fast, and it removed a lot of our manufacturing process. The floor that's next to us has 140 plus pieces in it. The floor behind me has 12. Now we've come up with a system where we can replace our floor systems of our conventional building for almost the equivalent cost of what we buy that material for, but it's all pre-cut and pre-set up for us so we can assemble it in a much faster process. We built an entire platform of different single family up to 12 plex units, all based off of the MPP product that we can now deploy all over Eastern Oregon. We're doing 50% of those at 80% AMI, average median income, so that we can get those into people that need housing and then sell the rest off. We're doing that same model in Burns, Lakeview. We're looking at LeGrand, Baker. So we're trying to come up with a repeatable model that can deploy these units all over Oregon. We're an industry that hasn't changed much in 100 years. In order to change things in the industry, we have to collectively work together. By moving all the manufacturing off the Ferris and getting a truckload of finished product that I can then just assemble, it allows me to be able to take a lower skilled set individual, assemble a floor just by flushing out parts and pieces and understanding some very basic parameters, and I will create a square floor. The beauty of that is that lower skilled individual now has a sense of accomplishment that they otherwise wouldn't get in building our conventional floor systems that can take a year or longer to kind of really understand all the idiosyncrasies that are at play. The partnership is so much stronger, I guess, than I'm saying, than just working through numbers and being on the phone or answering the phone. They're very willing to sit down, work through the problems, make sure that I'm understanding it the right way, and put everybody at the table when necessary.